So check it out. My outside loop now has 060 curves. It's all fast track. And one of the things I wanted to do was to see if I could best my old record of 35 cars. I've got 36 cars lined up behind my dual powered little Joe. There's two Marx C7 motors in there. They're both power pull. They have traction tires. So we're going to see if we can beat it. To beat it, it has to go around at least once without anything derailing or uncoupling. So I'll be manning the transformer really carefully in case anything lets go. So you can check it out, and here we go. Give me a second to get my transformer and we'll start it up. All right, one lap so far so good. Let's see if we can go 2 laps. Come on, train. All right, what a pull. That's the longest train I've pulled so far. I don't think I'll put any more cars on it, and I don't want to overtax. I understand that those Marx motors are all vintage, so I don't want to stress them too much. But thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.